Hi, and welcome to the EZReader TaskBar tutorial part 2. In this video, we will continue to show you how to use and customize the taskbar. And just a reminder, the taskbar is an EZReader launchpad, which is simply a way to access EZReader applications. First, let's click on the EZReader desktop shortcut to open taskbar at the bottom of your screen. As discussed in the part 1 video, the taskbar can be customized in many different ways. In this video, we will show you a few other features and shortcuts that can be used on the taskbar. With taskbar open and in focus, and to focus, just click on any blank space. You can right mouse click on any application or any blank space, and it will close EZReader completely. Please note that a right mouse click on the exit, center bar, or T icon will not close EZReader. We will review those separately. So now I'm going to right mouse click on the book reader icon. Now EZReader is closed and we will reopen by clicking the desktop shortcut. Next, we will review the right mouse click options on the exit, center bar, and T icons. A right mouse click on the exit icon opens a full list of keyboard shortcuts that are available to use from the taskbar. The first section shows you your shortcut history. Then press Next from the toolbar. And now you'll see all shortcuts that are available from the taskbar. Press Next again. And at the very bottom, you will see a section called Local Help that will provide helpful information on using taskbar. You can also have this read aloud by pressing play.
Easy taskbar local help.
You can copy all text and paste into another program like Word to save for future use. Or you can print the entire list in small or large format. There is also a search tool, so you can search using a keyword. As with all other applications, you can also adjust the font size, the color, and other character features on this screen by using menu rows 2 and 3. All right, now let's exit and go back to taskbar. Let's right mouse click on the center bar icon. You will see the taskbar has been minimized to 2 icons only, exit and center bar. Right mouse click again to restore the full taskbar. Now let's right mouse click on the T icon. This opens the selection matrix where you can customize what is on the taskbar. See the part 1 video for instructions on how to use the selection matrix. Click Exit to go back to taskbar. Next, we will look at some of the top keyboard shortcuts. Pressing shortcut W, as in Windows, will open the Windows Startup folder.
Shortcut pressed. Startup folder.
Here you can see what programs launch at computer startup. All right, so now back to taskbar. I'm going to press shortcut Control G, as in Gary. This opens a screen that shows you current EZReader selected settings and their status.
Shortcut pressed. Show information.
Here we see speech settings. We see font and font size. We see internet and printer status. We see email settings. And at the bottom, you see your version of EZReader. All right, let's exit and go back to taskbar. Now let's use shortcut Control-Shift-V, as in Victor. This will show you the current version of EZReader.
Shortcut pressed. Version.
Now let's press shortcut Control-L, as in Larry, and this will mute your computer speakers.
Shortcut pressed. Mute speaker. Shortcut pressed. Mute speaker.
Also, we have shortcut Control-E, as in EZReader. That will open the EZReader installation folder.
Shortcut pressed. Installation folder.
Next, we will press the letter J, as in Jack, to center the cursor in the middle of your screen.
Shortcut pressed. Center cursor.
We also have shortcut letter N as in Nancy. This will toggle the taskbar and the center bar.
Shortcut pressed. Toggle bars. Shortcut pressed. Toggle bars.
Another important shortcut that I want to review is for message delay. You can adjust the amount of time the pop-up text stays on the screen. Right now, I have it set on 1.5 seconds. To change, press Ctrl-Shift-O as in orange.
Shortcut pressed. Message delay time.
Now it is set to 3 seconds. One last shortcut that we will review is EZReader Update. Press shortcut U as an update from the keyboard. You will see updating, then restarting, and now you will have the most current version of EZReader.
Shortcut pressed. Update EXE.
Lastly, I want to mention that some of the EZReader applications, like the file editor and the email client, have their own keyboard shortcuts to open from taskbar. For example, if we press the letter E on the keyboard from the taskbar, we will open the editor application.
Shortcut pressed. Editor app.
All right, let's close editor and go back to taskbar. And remember, to see all of the application shortcuts, you can use the right mouse click feature on the exit button to see the full list of shortcuts. Here, you can select search from the toolbar, type in your keyword, let's use mail, then hit search. Now you see the keyboard shortcut for the email application. Thank you for watching part 2 of the TaskBar series. Please watch other videos in the TaskBar series for more details. You can also reach out to the EZReader support team for help customizing the taskbar.